Today I'm going to show you how to import or export a contact list on System.io. Whether you're migrating contacts from another platform or backing up your existing list, this process will help you manage your contacts efficiently and keep your CRM organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your system. IO dashboard where you can access all the platform's features. Now look at the top toolbar of your dashboard. You'll see several menu options there. Navigate to CRM, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Contacts. This will take you to your Contacts Management page where you can view and organize all your contacts. In the upper right corner of the Contacts page, you'll find a button labeled Import Contacts. Click on this button to begin the import process. This feature allows you to bring in contacts from external sources, saving you the time of manually entering each contact. Next, you'll see an option that says click to select CSV file that contacts. Go ahead and click on this. A file browser window will open, allowing you to locate the CSV file containing your contacts. Browse through your computer, select the CSV file you want to import, and then click Open. This uploads your file to System.io for processing. Once your file is selected, look at the left panel where you'll need to configure the import settings. Navigate to select CSV delimiter, and you'll see a drop-down menu below it. Click on this drop-down menu and select comma. This tells the system how your CSV data is formatted, ensuring it reads your contacts correctly. After setting the delimiter, you'll see options for tagging your imported contacts. Select the tag you want to apply by checking the circle beside the tag's name. Tags help you organize and categorize your contacts for better management and targeted campaigns. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Next. This will take you to a confirmation screen where you can review your import settings. Once you've verified everything looks correct, click Import. The system will now process your CSV file and add all the contacts to your CRM. Depending on the size of your list, this might take a few moments. Now let's cover how to export contacts. Go back to your dashboard, navigate to CRM again, and select Contacts, just like before. This brings you back to your contacts list. On the contacts page, check the circle beside your contact's name. You can select multiple contacts if you need to export several at once. Once you've selected the contacts you want to export, look at the bottom right corner and click More Actions. From the menu that appears, select Export. You'll now see a list of columns you can include in your export. Select all the columns you want to export, such as email, first name, last name, city, street address, and country. Choosing the right columns ensures you have all the information you need in your exported file. Finally, click Export. The system will generate a CSV file containing all your selected contacts and their information, which you can then download to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to both import and export contact lists on System.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.